In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Excel product activation field. If you're encountering the product activation field error in Microsoft Excel, here are some steps to resolve it. The first thing that you can do is to check your subscription. Ensure your subscription is active. If you're using Microsoft 365 or any other subscription, make sure it's valid. The second thing that you can do is to sign in with the correct account. Confirm that you're signed in with the account you used to purchase Microsoft Office. The third thing that you can do is to update your Office apps. Make sure Microsoft Word, Excel, or any other app is up to date. Open the app, go to the File tab, and select Account and choose Update Now if available. The last thing that you can do is to avoid cracked versions. If you have used crack or unauthorized version of Office 365, consider purchasing a legitimate Microsoft 365 subscription to resolve the issue. Remember, using genuine software ensures a smoother experience and helps avoid activation errors. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.